Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, we are going to share you another great project named BabySwiss, and the website link is babyswiss.fun. As you know guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this BabySwiss is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But you guys know you have to invest at your own risk only. We are not a financial advisor. So when you open this at babyswiss.fun, you can see the birth of BabySwiss, world first community coin. BabySwiss coin learned a few tricks and lessons from the meme family Doge. New cryptocurrency created by fans and members of the Dogecoin online community. BabySwiss aimed to impress the showcasing his new and improved transaction speeds and charm. It's hyper deflective with integrated smart betting system built in to reward you. So more ZEV coins are automatically added to your wallet on every transaction. Just love, cares, and watch your little Z's grow. You can buy this token on the PancakeSwap. You have to set slippage to 12%. Here you can get the most useful links of this token. View chart, you can see here Jicon, the BC scan holders, you can see liquidity locked, you can see, and you can see PancakeSwap link. Let's here have a more info about the BabySwiss. Grow in your wallet. BabySwiss is a cute but with lot of bite. BabySwiss is a deflected coin designed to become more sacred over time. All holders of BabySwiss will earn more BabySwiss that is automatically sent to your wallet simply by holding BabySwiss coin in your wallet. Watch the amount of BabySwiss grow in your wallet as all holders automatically receive a 5% fee from every transaction. So here let's see, it is a deflectory token. Reward holding is there, locked liquidity is there, charity wallet is there. You can see BabySwiss coin has built in 10% transaction tax where 3% fee auto add to liquidity pool and locked forever when selling, and 5% fees auto distribute to all holders. 5% of each transaction is redistributed to token holders. That means you earn more BabySwiss coin by just holding them in your wallet. Locked liquidity is there, you can see unreadable majority of LP tokens locked and some burned, so there's always LP locked. So here you can check, we have designed a charity wallet that receive redistribution that are used to support our charity partners. Here we can get more info about the BabySwiss coin. BabySwiss best friend of Doge family. BabySwiss is very generous and created to reward those who have held it for a long time. Community is first and foremost. Little Juice is proud to work together with Dog family to provide transparency and fairness to society, at the same time to save dogs around the world. Here you can have a look on their charity partner. You can see this pause of Hartford country. You can see their charity partner is there. Let's here have a look on the tokenomics of this token. Here you can see the name of this token and supply you can see here, and burn 99% of the BabySwiss coins. No team wallet is there. BabySwiss will not have a large wallet controlled by the development team. 100% fair launch. No pre-sale, no private sale, no ICO. The launch of the BabySwiss is 100% fair and open for all. Here you can see their YouTube videos there. Here you can see the white paper and audit paper you can see. So here is the white paper of this token. You can get the information of the site from this white paper. There is only introduction here. Full white paper is coming soon. Here you can have a look on their roadmap. Here part 1, here part 2, here part 3 and part 4 and part 5. You can see all this here. Here you can join their social media community if you want to join. Here is the BSC scan smart contract of this token. Here you can see token BabySwiss coin. Here total supply you can see, holders 74 and decimal digit is 9. Contract address you can see here, and go down you can simply find the transactions. You can simply swap from PancakeSwap on BNB to BabySwiss. Here you can have a look on the token chart. Here total supply, market capital, BabySwiss coin, like price you can see here, and when you go down you can simply see the chart here and transactions here. So if you like this token, you will get all the links of buying in the description, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.